If you feel my video is helpful, you can click subscribe and then click here, and then list share. You can list share my video tutorial to Blogger, Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter. Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome to my lesson about AutoCAD tutorials for beginners. Okay. Now lesson 8. Stress command. Stress command. Okay, please follow me. Now let's go. Okay, open AutoCAD. Now you look on string. I have object. I have some object in the drawing. So layout. Okay. So how to activate this command? Okay. The first way, you can click icon straight commands. Okay. Icon straight command. Click here. Icons. Click here. Activate this command. Okay. Second way, you can use sockets this command. AutoCAD give for user socket this command. You type S AutoCAD show stress. You look stress. Okay. Enter activate this stress command. Okay. Very easy. So now we practice together. Okay. I have layout on screen. Layout. You type S, enter. Select object. Select object. Enter. Specify baseball. Okay. Baseball. Click here. Rush your mouse. Rush your mouse. Rush your mouse. Rush your mouse. Okay. Rush your mouse. Very easy. Click here. Okay. Very easy. Now again. S, enter. Select here. Enter. Straight. Rush your mouse. Rush your mouse. You can input value, for example 500, 5000, 5000, 5000. Okay, enter. Straight. Very easy. Again, i I want straight. I want straight. This area, this area, this area. Okay, this area. S, enter. Select. Enter. Enter. Baseball. For example, here. Click here. Baseball. Rush your mouse. Rush your mouse. Enter. Click here. Okay. Now again. press enter, select, enter, press, press, wow, 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 very easy, wow, wow, easy, helpful. Okay, yes, enter, rush, rush, very easy, very easy. Okay. You look on the screen, very easy. Okay, yeah, enter. Okay, stretch command is helpful for you. Stretch, very easy. Now, this video tutorial to the end. If you feel this my video is helpful, you can subscribe to receive news videos more. Okay, thank you so much.